Also an diesem Pasch-Video-Workshop haben sich Schüler vom Gymnasium Uroš Predić aus Pančevo beteiligt und von Treća Beogradska. Und das Ziel war, die Situation der Flüchtlinge in Belgrad darzustellen und auch ihre Motivation, ihre Heimatländer zu verlassen.
We are forced to do this because nobody wants to die in poverty. We all trying to find a way of surviving, but how can you survive?
Wohin wollen die meisten Flüchtlinge?
Die meisten sagen Alemannia, Alemannia, die meisten wollen nach Deutschland, einige wollen in skandinavische Länder, weil sie zum Beispiel Verwandte dort haben.
The most refugees come from Syria, Afghanistan, Iraq and Pakistan.
Since July we found that the profile of let's say average refugee has worsened. They are coming from poorer social families or backgrounds, so they approach us and they have more kinds of urgent needs than those at the beginning. So to deal with all of them in one-off kind of approach is challenging but rewarding as well.
My name is Sabina. I currently volunteer in this organization. They call me basement girl because I sort stuff here. So people who need clothes come here and I just give them what they need.
Also ich arbeite mit in ADRA NGO, wir übersetzen und assistieren nach Refugees, also flüchtliche Seite. In Beograd jeder Tag war ungefähr zwischen 1000 bis 2000, aber jetzt momentan ungefähr 100, weil jetzt also von Makedonien direkt nach Kroatien Seite.
I have one of my family in Germany. I go to Germany, they say that it's good for people who come into Germany. I need to complete my study. Okay, I need to work. Something like that.
Okay, in kitchen. In kitchen. Okay, thank you. Not at all.
Sad ova voda tu ide, ja? Ne, voda iz bonca.
I'm Katie, and I'm from San Francisco. Well, I've been touring around Europe for 3 months, and I hadn't seen any refugees on my whole trip until I arrived here in Serbia, and I arrived at the central bus station and saw the camp there and thought that I should probably help. They need warm clothing, they need food, they need health care. A lot of them come in with babies that are sick or they're sick themselves.
Especially coming from Africa, you have to pass through Libya in the Sahara Desert, and then from there you have to connect with some criminals who will help you to enter the water, Lampedusa, and sometimes you just follow them. You don't know where you're going. Actually, nobody knows where he's going. We're just thinking of being somewhere in a better situation.